So what's going on, YouTube? We are walking up a hill. At a friend of mine's house. I had to get him to work on my Mini X. So you can see my dump truck is down there with the trailer. Had a little accident not long ago with it. I was stacking a brush pile and I went and pinched the log, and well, a pin, the little bolt that holds the pin in on the quick attach come out, and the pin had slid out and I didn't know it. Well, my thumb come loose. When I went to pinch the log, I bent the cylinder, bent the thumb. So anyway, due to some other circumstances, I haven't been able to fix it myself, so I just brought it over here and let a buddy of mine fix it, and we're going to pick it up. So anyway, fat boy's out of breath, so I'll start this video back when we get in the machine. All right, so kind of explain what happened here. This bolt came out. I didn't know it, and it worked the pin out that way. This side of the thumb dropped, and anyway, it bent the thumb pretty good. He's got it straightened out, and it ruined, absolutely ruined the cylinder. It was not repairable. So I had to buy a new cylinder and then get that fixed. Of course, I've got the cylinder at home. I'm going to put it on, put the hoses on, and anyway, so that's what we're going to do. He said he left maybe some wrenches where I was working on it. I don't know if you guys, a lot of you probably don't know this. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you probably do know this. March the 13th, me and my wife welcomed a newborn son, or a new son, into the world, and he is currently still in. He is currently still in the NICU. He was born at 34 weeks, so he was premature. So he's currently still in NICU. He's doing good, but he's still having a little trouble learning to eat him a bottle. So he's working on that, but he is doing better. So yeah. Anyway, I haven't had time to work on this thing myself, and so I just brought it over here, let him do it. I didn't really, my oxygen acetylene bottles were empty, and it was just everything going on. It was kind of a bad time, so it was much easier for me to just haul it over here. He doesn't live far from me. Let him put that back in for me. He was in such a bind that he had to heat the thumb up just to move it around. The pin would never go in. Which, from now on, I have to be careful with his thumb. I hate that he had to heat it. I was hoping he wouldn't have to, but he did. So anyway, it is what it is. So yeah, I'll do a video of me putting it on the trailer in a minute. Alright, we're chained down and ready to get out of here. So we'll get this thing home, and I'll do a video of me putting the cylinders on, and then we'll try to do a video, if it's not raining, of us cleaning it up, because as you can see. Alright, YouTube. So today we've got to put a thumb cylinder on this 260, and all right, we got the cylinder on, so now we got to put our light back on that I broke it off doing brush cutting. You guys probably think I'm terrible on equipment, but hey, at least I'm putting it back and fixing it. Yeah, so okay, so we got lights. That's turned out to be a piece of crap. I'm just gonna take it off anyway. Yeah, that's disappointing. I give $70 for that thing, and it's a piece of junk. Like, it just, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, got that on. Got our thumb cylinder on. No leaks on our fittings on either side. So now we got to unload a box plate. So anyway, what we're gonna do now? Unload this box plate and set it over here. Get it hooked to the tractor in a little bit. I've got some box plating I need to do. I wonder. If we can do that. Yeah. I guess I could point the camera at what I'm doing. Hey, I don't know why that won't work. I love flatbed trucks. Now all I gotta do is lift it up without hitting the fuel tank. Or knocking the back window out of my truck. Or dropping it. Here we go. I gotta fix my trailer, got tires on my dump truck, I got some box plates to do. Oh, it just never ends. Never ends. And that truck's in the way, so I can't get in the shop for this. Wonderful. Oh well. Over here and go get a pressure washer and pressure wash this. I don't know if it'll be on this video or another one, but anyway, we're gonna park it over here because I don't have water in my put our new tracks on too. I don't know. It's kind of one of those things, you know, you just want to see how much you can get out of something. Adjust that light down a little bit. Alright. Oh crap. Alright, I'm way down. Alrighty. So, on to the next thing. Sorry about that. So yeah, I've been looking at the 5075E cab tractors. I don't know that I'll buy one. They look cheap, and you hear good and bad about them. I put about 300 or 400 hours on the tractor a year. That tractor there is 98 and got 1,400 hours on it, 1,440 hours on it. So anyway, I guess I'm saying all that to say I might sell this tractor. If you're watching this video and you think this is a tractor you might be interested in, let me know. There's nothing wrong with it. It runs good. It's just I need, bottom line is, I need a cab tractor. My allergies kill me now. I'm sick of taking Claritin this time of year. I've got a newborn son. I want him to be able to ride with me some, and I want to do that in a cab tractor. I've got 38 acres of land that I'm going to have to take care of now. I'll have to do that at night on top of doing my side work, so it's time for me to upgrade to a cab tractor. I may get a 6200 or maybe a 5250 Case International, something 75, 80 horsepower. But I'm kind of looking, I mean, I've just been kind of glancing at a 5075E. I want something with a power reverser, four-wheel drive maybe, I don't know, maybe a loader. But anyway, so yeah, I got this thing loaded up. I'm going to take it to my brother's, let him, or I'm going to box blade his driveway off where I spread some rock the other day and screwed up trying to spread it, and then I may take it and do another friend of mine's place. Anyway, yeah, I got 4 loads of rock to haul tomorrow, so I'm going to drop this off on the way to the rock crusher, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Sorry it's been a while since I put a video up, and I'll try to do some more here in a few days. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.